Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just wanted to jump on here real quick. I had a good bank story I wanted to share with everybody. First, I wanted to say I hope everybody's having a great day. I know it is Monday, but we're going to start this week off positive, and I did have some pretty good news. So I went, like I was saying, I went to the bank because recently I had a new furnace install put in and a new heat pump unit. It was 23 years old. So I helped the service guy install, and he cut me a little bit of a discount. And for anybody interested, there it is. There's the beast, the Goodman 100,000 BTU propane furnace. And here's the outdoor unit. It is a 3-ton Goodman heat pump. This thing is a beast. It's huge. So they just keep making them bigger to get more efficient. Everything's nice and shiny and new. So, I think, what is it? 14 SEER rating. Not too bad. So there it is. Just wanted to share that in case anybody wanted to see what I got. But what happened was I needed to pull some money out of one account. So I got a check, a pretty sizable check. And I took it to my bank today. And I thought, okay, I need to cash this check. And, so I can pay the guy or whatever. But anyway, I went to make the deposit. And it was, like I said, a pretty large check that I withdrew. And the lady went, checked on the check with somebody in the back, make sure they've seen it before. And so she said, well, did you want to cash this check today? And it almost floored me because I asked if there was a wait period. She goes, no, there's no wait period on this check. So that was a surprise. That's usually not the case. Usually they tell you, oh, you got 3 days, 5 days, whatever, 7-day wait period. So that kind of surprised me. And then she asked me if I wanted cash. And so I was like, well, I can take half out in cash. I need to, pay this person or whatever. So she proceeded to give me the cash for the whole amount. So each one of these is $2,000, these bundles. So she gave me, all 100s here, 2100s, another 20, another 20, 6100s. And then she gave me, the last 500 here. So I had $6,500 to pay the guy. Then not only that, she proceeded to thank me for coming in and cashing a check today because she had too much money. And she wanted to get rid of these $100 bills. So just a different story. It was a different spin from what, a lot of the bank videos we've been hearing on getting cash. So I was kind of shocked, and I wanted to share with you guys today that it's not always the case. I mean, they were seemed very happy to give me cash today as much as I wanted because they had too many hundreds. So that was an unusual story. I said, I got to jump on and share this with everyone on YouTube. So with that being said, hey, you never know what's going to happen. It's a great Monday. Things were good today. So a little bit of positive vibes. I hope you guys have subscribed to the channel, or at least considered so. If not, please subscribe or think about it. Hit the thumbs up for a great Monday. And you guys, I'll talk to you next time. And remember, be nice to somebody today. Be generous. Peace out. All right, since I did get all these bills, I had quite a few. I always want to go through and check them, which I did. So I went through and I was looking for any star notes or anything specialty. And unfortunately, I didn't find anything like that, except for one. I thought, I'm going to share this with my precious metals community members. They might appreciate it. So look at this serial number here. The last 3 digits. We got 3 9s, and we even got the F for the fine. So 3 9s, fine, fiat right here. So just wanted to share that. I thought that was pretty entertaining. You guys take care.